Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video to pick the winner from this video that I did a couple of weeks ago. This is the jumper T-lite V2 that I looked at a couple of weeks ago, and I gave everyone quite a lot of time to get their comments in, because if you watch right to the very end, there was this thing here: like, comment and subscribe to enter into a draw for this exact radio. However, there was a little wrinkle. You had to include the word smashing. Now, I do like to do giveaways like this, because when I do giveaways, there are obvious ones, get lots and lots of comments from people who don't interact with the channel at any other time. This is great that those of you that kind of watch my videos just for the video's sake get a chance to actually win something for being an honest subscriber and viewer of the channel. So thank you for that. So standard stuff, we're going to put everything into the random comment picker, filter duplicate users, and we'll make sure that only the comments with smashing are in there. We'll get the YouTube comments. The capture you entered is wrong. Please try again with the correct answer. What does that mean? Where's that? Bear with me on this. I'm not sure what's going on with this. No, doesn't. Maybe it's the specific text that it doesn't like. Nope. What is going on here? I've obviously missed something. Okay, let's have that back. Ah, okay, right, it's the number. Right, okay. Missed that. So 83 people in total, so you're with a reasonable chance of this. Let's see who found it. So the winner of the jumper T2-lite radio is Santiago Perez Quejo. Apologies if I've just messed your... And you're a Patreon as well. Fantastic. Okay, this makes it super easy. Santiago, because you're a Patreon, pop me your address details on the Patreon system via a private message, and I'll get this out to you. This makes it a lot easier for me. With it being a Patreon, that's good, because I do have to confirm an identity if it isn't a Patreon, just because, believe it or not, I've had people in the past trying to claim stuff that they hadn't won. So thank you to everyone that joined in with this. Congratulations again to Santiago. Do stay tuned. There'll be more giveaways on the channel soon. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.